Hey friends, black pepper chicken stir fry is so delicious and easy to make at home. Make this recipe a part of your weekly rotations and you and your family will definitely enjoy it. Here are some of the ingredients used in the recipe. The whole list will be in the description box. Let's go get started. This black pepper chicken stir fry recipe starts with these chicken thighs that I've cut into some long strips. And just as the recipe says, a lot of black pepper goes into these. So I'll start with about a teaspoon. Add some soy sauce. Some salt, cornstarch or corn flour if you're outside of US, get in there with your hands, mix everything here and leave it to marinate. I'll go wash my hands, put this aside. Now into this bowl, make the sauce, oyster sauce, soy sauce, dark, light soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, chicken stock, this is from Better Than Bouillon chicken base, some brown sugar. Give everything here a good stir and set aside. Now into this smoking hot wok, add some cooking oil. I'm using grapeseed. Half of the chicken goes in. We'll cook it in 2 batches just so that we get some good color on each piece. Cook turning until all the chicken thighs pieces are browned. Once you're satisfied with the color and chicken is about 75 to 80% cooked, remove. Add some more oil and add the rest of the chicken. The key to using a wok is making sure that it's perfectly seasoned. This other batch of chicken is perfectly cooked. Lower the heat. Just a touch more oil into the wok. Scallions, white, and some of the greens. Garlic. Ginger. Raise the heat just moderately. Just some oil here. Now just before everything starts burning here, add red onion that I cut into thick slices. Red bell pepper. Now raise the heat and just slightly cook this. Just a touch salt, being mindful that we are using a lot of soy. Once the peppers and the red onions have slightly softened, chicken goes back together with all the accumulated juices. In goes our prepared sauce. Some more black pepper. Now let this cook until the chicken is cooked through and the sauce just so slightly reduces. Make sure that every piece of the chicken here is nicely coated with the sauce. This chicken is all coated by the sauce and is fully cooked through. Finish with some white sesame seeds. Leave some for garnishing. Some of the scallions greens. Turn off the heat. As always, serve this family style. Just pile it onto a platter. Finish this with the rest of the sesame seeds. This adds a good crunch, texture, and definitely flavor. More green onions or the scallions. Wow. There we have it, black pepper chicken stir fry, a recipe that you can do in your own kitchen on any day of the week. Yes, you get a slight kick or a good kick from the black pepper, but that is the essence of the recipe. You can adjust to your taste. Otherwise, this is a recipe that I would recommend you give a shot in your own kitchen. It's always good to have some different condiments and sauces in your pantry so you can be able to experiment and try some of these recipes. Thank you so much for watching this one. Leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you will serve with this one. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one.